Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now I just got a brand new pair of shoes in and I was like, do I do a review on these? Do I just do a discussion video? So let's just keep it simple and we're gonna do a little discussion video with a little bit of B-roll and just talk, man, and just see where we are with this whole sneaker community thing and see how y'all are feeling. So I went ahead and picked up these Air Jordan 1s in this lucky green colorway. This colorway released on April 15th, if I'm not mistaken, so about 2 weeks ago. Took about a week to get here, and I bought these from Chic. I ended up getting a notification on the app, and I was like, man, these things are pretty clean. I haven't really been keeping up with the sneaker releases lately. Like, I'll just see some things here and there on Instagram, but I'm not how I used to be where I was like scouring the internet to see what's releasing 2 months from now. I'm just kind of going with the flow, and if I see something I like, I'll buy it here and there, but I'm not really buying too much. But when I saw this pair, I went ahead and I bought it because it's a clean colorway, and I kind of wanted to see it in person because if you guys remember, back in 2009, there was that DMP pack that released with the kind of like bread ones and these right here, which were the Celtic ones. Now those were a little bit different. They had a Jumpman on the tongue, they had a Jumpman on the heel, and they weren't really as high as this, if I remember correctly. They kind of sat a little more like a mid would, like it wasn't super high like this. But way back then I was in high school and I couldn't afford the bread ones, so I went ahead and I bought a Beat DMP pack. But I thought it was super cool because the box came in this like wood grain kind of feel, and it was a double decker too with the slide out boxes. Those were good days, bro. So when I saw this pair, it kind of brought me back to that moment in time where I was a high schooler, you know, really grinding to get my money, restoring shoes, and just starting the YouTube channel. So when I saw this pair, I was like, bro, these are basically the newer Celtic ones. And I watched a lot of videos where people were, you know, doing the review on these, and they didn't really mention the Celtic ones with the DMP pack. There's a cool amount of green Jordan 1s that came out, but this one is the most fire in my opinion. I feel like if these released maybe 3 or 4 years ago when the Jordan 1 hype was super hot, this right here would probably be around like a $300 to $350 pair. But now in 2023, I want to say that the Jordan 1 hype kind of fizzled down a little bit. It's transitioned into dunks, and the lifeline for the dunk era is at the very end. I think we're like coming real close to where the dunks are played out. I have a lot of homies that don't even wear their dunks because everybody has them. But with that being said, I don't think the dunk era is over just yet. I think Nike still has a few more colorways they're gonna push out, and they're just gonna milk that model as much as they can. And now you're seeing it with the Air Jordan 4. So a lot of the 4s are coming out. Those SB 4s were very popular. Just a very simple colorway with the white, little bit of gray, and that green hit. People are going nuts for the Jordan 4, and now you can see Jordan Brand just milking that model. But I just wanted to make this video and ask y'all, how do you feel about the Jordan 1 hype right now? Do you think it's fizzled down too? There have been a lot of clean Air Jordan 1 releases that aren't really just reselling for a lot, and I freaking love it. I think it's perfect for the consumer that is trying to get into an Air Jordan 1 and wants a clean colorway, but doesn't want to break the bank. It's literally perfect, especially if you're a person that wears green pretty often or knows how to pull off a shoe like this. I do have a lot of green pairs, the white and green Forces, white and green Stan Smiths, the Lucky Dunk Lows. When I was a kid growing up, green used to be one of my favorite colors. So at first I was debating, you know, if I really need to keep this pair, because in all honesty, I don't need these. But at the same time, I think this pair right here is gonna look really good after some wear. For some reason, the Jordan 1s, when they start creasing in and you start wearing them, they get a little bit more comfortable and they just start looking a lot better when everything kind of crinkles up a little bit. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep these. Again, if you're looking for a Jordan 1 and you haven't had much luck getting any of the hype pairs, I think this pair right here is perfect, being that they're sitting on StockX right now for $175. These did release for retail at $180, so you're pretty much gonna pay a little bit over retail after all the fees and everything, but this is a really good shoe. I'm gonna keep this video really short because I am going to LA in the next couple days, so I'm gonna be doing a couple shopping videos with the homie Dustin and Colin. So stay tuned for that, guys. Let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan 1 hype in the comment section down below, and let me know if this was a cop or drop for you. My opinion, I think this is a cop. I could see these hitting the outlets, which would be even a better cop if you could get it for a little discount. Oh, and quick plug. You guys probably noticed all the shoes behind me. I'm selling a bunch of shoes on my Instagram story right now, so make sure you guys are following me at SneakerHeadInTheBay. Shoot me a DM if you see anything you like. It's all gonna be on my story. Catch you guys on there, and I'll see you guys for the next video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. I'm out. Peace.